Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another exciting 3-hour actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. We today start with HDFC Life. Our analyst finds monthly provisional number for HDFC Life strong, with new business premiums for May 2021 growing by 46.6% on year-on-year basis. The annual premium equivalent for May 2021 month also grew smartly by 22% year-on-year. HDFC Life's private market share has increased to 23.2% from 18.1% in May 2020. While the traction in protection and annuity segment is still strong, segments such as Credit Protect and ULIPs are expected to see improving traction. Analyst opines that the current COVID-19 health crisis has helped increase customer awareness and appetite for protection, which will provide boost for insurance leaders like HDFC Life. We at Sharekhan Research have a buy rating on HDFC Life with price target of Rs 850. Next on radar is Cadila Healthcare. Our analyst has retained a buy recommendation on Cadila Healthcare with an unchanged price target of Rs 720. Cadila's effort to develop a portfolio of COVID treatment drugs, vaccines augurs well and would highly complement existing growth levers. Likely pickup in acute therapy and sustained traction in chronics coupled with new launches would drive the domestic sales. Also, a strong product pipeline including IP-led products and focus to grow the injectable franchise to $300 million would boost the US sales. Strong earning prospect, healthy return ratios and strengthening balance sheet are key positive for Cadila Healthcare. Quarter 4 was a healthy quarter for Cadila, driven by a strong growth in India business. Lastly, we have update on Birlasoft Limited. Our analysts retain buy on Birlasoft Limited with revised price target of Rs 450, given strong earning growth potential and favorable demand environment. With strong deal intake, healthy deal pipeline and focus on existing account, management remains optimistic on delivering strong double-digit revenue growth in FY22 earning estimates. We expect Birlasoft to register revenue CAGR of 15% and earning CAGR of 27% over FY21 to FY23 earning estimates. We continue to remain positive on the stock given improving deal wins, strong cash generation, net cash of Rs 1,119 crore and improving payout ratio. So these were the 3-hour updates for today. Do like, share and subscribe to our podcast. Stay safe and healthy. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.